madami akong mga pinagdadaanan. Hindi ko yan ipinagkakatiya kasi hindi ko rin siya pinabayaan. I never leave him alone. Hi guys! Pagpasensyahan nyo na guys ha. Medyo ano tayo ngayon. It's a long story. And I'm willing to share. But before anything else, good evening everyone. Good morning. Wherever you are. Good afternoon. Yan lang. Imong gikuha mo sa ka 1/4 anati. Today guys, I went to the bank. Madami talaga akong dapat i-story kasi for many days or for couple days, I don't have upload. Ulit na kabe? Today guys, I went to San Carlos and nag-ano tayo ng mga expenses ba. Ayan. And then, na naman. And then, madami akong mga pinagdadaanan guys. I'm really telling you the truth. Alam niyo naman, hindi naman kami mayaman. At lahat ng tao dumadaan sa mga utang. The worst thing lang is may mga tao talaga na hindi ka naintindihan ka naman. Kaso, bye-bye te. Nag-gashid pa mong kagabi eh.
Thank you.
May mga tao talaga na minsan naintindihan ka, minsan hindi. And I'm really happy to those people that surround me, yung naiintindihan ako. Kasi, ano naman siya guys eh, pera na lang na inano ko yung pera, at least the good thing, saksi si Ate Merlin at saka si Stanley, kung inano ko. And then, happy lang ako guys kasi bye-bye! Happy ako kahit hindi sila happy kasi iba yung mga pagtingin nila sa'yo. Ano lang guys, binuhos ko lang yan today. The whole day, I spend so much talaga ng oras, 3 hours something sa church. Nag-spend ako doon. Kasi, hirap talaga guys ba? Para bang, minsan naintindihan ka, minsan hindi. Hindi ko naman yan ipinagkaila guys na na ganyan, na ganito ako. Hindi. I really accept or totoo talaga na may utang talaga tayo, di ba? May utang ako. Pero habang buhay pa ako guys, mababayaran ko naman yan paunti-unti. Happy lang ako guys kasi I already can make a confession sa church. And then, nasabi ko na rin ni Habi, witness si Ate Merlin at saka si Stanley, front talaga kay Habi. And happy ako guys kasi I thought Danny gonna spank me, Danny gonna hit me, Danny will break me up, something like that. Hindi guys. Yung sinasabi niya, wifey, masusolusyonan yan. Hindi ko rin yan nakita na winaldas mo yung pera, may mga gold ka, and everyday you go outside, yung hindi mo ko, you didn't taking care of me, you go all the time that I stay in the house alone, hindi mo yan ginawa. You go outside is you buy something. Sige. Yun yung ano ko guys, kasi tingin talaga sa ibang tao is I go na nagwawalda sa pera ni Danny. Hindi. Lumabas man ako is yung mga hinanakit na nadinig ko, doon ko binuhos sa labas. Rather than to show to Danny na down ako. Ayaw kong makita sa kanya. The good thing today, sinabi ko lahat. Nakaharap si Stanley at si Ate Merlin. I'm so blessed. Totoo talaga. So blessed ako to have a husband like Danny. And I'm really blessed to have a son that who all the time comfort me. Sobra ko yung ano guys, hindi ko na yan makikita pa talaga. The best si Habi. As in. Yung tungkol sa pera, tinulong ko. Tinulong ko sa kapatid ko. Kasi ayoko na mamakita na ako kumain, sila wala. 'Di ba? At least in a small way na tinulungan mo talaga. Sabi pa nga nila, 'di ba, kahit anong mangyari, magtulungan talaga. Hindi ko magagawang tingnan lang sila, guys. Maliliit pa yung mga pamangkin ko. Iyon, sinabi ko lahat. And thank you talaga, Stanley. Thank you so much, Stan, na andyan ka parati. At saka si Ate Merlin, that who all the time support me talaga and really understand me and knows me well sa pagiging ako. Oo, sabi nila may makukuha daw sila sa akin. Of course, they can get from me because they do something that helped me so much naman. So, yan yung in return ko sa kanila. Iba talaga yung pananaw sa ibang tao, guys. Ba? Pero okay lang naman kasi yung rumors talaga, andyan yan at bahagi yan ng buhay mo. Akala ko nga, dito na talaga magwakas yung buhay ko, guys, ba? Today. Pero, nagkamali ako. As in, so blessed talaga ako na may asawa lagi akong initindi. The good thing lang talaga is, hindi ko rin siya pinabayaan. Kahit anong mangyari, I all the time taking care Danny. I never leave him alone. If I go outside, I need somebody to look after him. Kung wala mang school si Jake, andyan si Jake. Pero kung nag-iisa lang si Danny, guys, yung balde ay napakahirap lang talaga i-explain ba. Yun guys, pasensya na guys kasi kumain kami, ayan, nagdi-dinner sila. Ayokong kumain guys kasi gusto kong tapusin yung vlog. I'm really grateful na I buy a new one. I'm really grateful kasi after I make a confession in the church today, I confess to Danny everything in front of Stanley. And Ate Merlin knows. Right, Habi?
Yep.
Just make a short lang. If I go outside, I leave you some basin, bucket here, right?
Yeah.
Kung iiwan ko si Danny, guys, just to buy something sa San Carlos, iiwan ko siya ng balde na makapag wiwi siya to make him pee. Para bang yung bata na starting to walk. Yan si Danny, guys. Dapat hindi ko talaga siya iiwan.
So I don't have to go all the way to the bathroom.
Ha?
So I don't have to go all the way over there to pee.
Yes, kasi iiwan ko siya ng balde diyan dito sa ano talaga, dito sa gilid diyan na side. Kasi unsa na siya kanang magbaybay siya, guys ba? It's the same with the baby that's starting to walk. Yan si Danny. Para lang makapag-pee siya. Yan. hindi ko winaldas yung pera niya. Ginamit ko din sa mga personal things namin. And then besides, I help. I'm not telling you that I have a money. Of course, I'm poor. But even though I'm poor, I help with somebody. Hindi ko inaano yung, guys. Yung importante dyan is, yung nakatulong ka sa kapwa kung someone asking you a help. Yan ako. Hindi man ako nagmamakaawa sa inyo na ganyan. Ang akin lang is, I'm just proving myself here na hindi ko winaldas yung pera ni Danny. I'm proving myself here that I'm not wasting your money. I use it in the right way. Even though it's just a little amount, I help with somebody who asks a help. Right, Abby? Especially for food. May mga witness talaga ko. Ayaw kong i-mention sila, pero isa sa mga witness ko dyan, si Ate Merlin talaga at si Stanley. Isa sila sa mga tumulong at nakakaalam talaga sa akin. Hindi ako mayaman, guys. Hindi ko yan pinagmamayabang na mayaman ako. Wala kaming pera. We don't have a money. We're just content of what we have. The good thing is we're healthy and we can eat 3 times a day or more than that. But some people or even my siblings, di ko talaga kaya na ikaw kumain ka talaga ng 3 beses sa isang
Don't
araw
eat
din
the
sila
skin.
wala.
Don't eat the skin.
Din sila wala. Yan. It could be.
Mm.
I'm really the skin. Kung anak ang skin na bahala na, guys. I'm just showing who I am here. Na ganito. Pasalamat din ako sa taong tinulungan ko na hindi din ako iniwan sa ere. Thank you talaga, guys. Thank you. To those that who really understand me, I really appreciate for that. If you see me, if you know my videos from the start, you know me a little bit. Oh, thank you talaga, guys. Thank you for all the time supporting our channel. Matagal na nalaman ni Danny about sa money, guys. Good thing. Habang buhay talaga, guys, may pag-asa. Yan yung inano ko. Madami akong nabasa sa Bible today na mga verse sa church today. Because I really stay in the church for 3 hours something. Doon ako. Kahit ako na lang mag-isa sa church, guys. Yung ano talaga ba na nag-meditate ka talaga, right? That's a meditate. Wala akong hinanaing to those the people that may mga na ano sa akin yung galit sila. Wala akong galit sa inyo. And kahit ano't pa man yan, ano lang, how you call that? Mahal ko kayo. That's really plastic if you're gonna say that I love you. No. I'm just a human na makapag-forgive and forget. Yan ako, guys. Kasi, iba yung puso ko, guys, eh. Parang pusong mambun. Number one na gusto ko talagang masiayos, guys, ba? Yung paglaki ng anak mo na mabuti siya, yung ganun. Hindi ako perfect na, I'm not a perfect mom, I'm not a perfect wife. Hirap lang talaga ba? Kasi, the time that you go outside, lalabas ka, para bang, nahihirapan kang tumingin left and right. Kasi, puro ganito, puro ganyan, dami kang naririnig. Pero wala raman na ako, guys. Wala ra na ako. Kaya nga no, dili na ako ipaapik to. Kay ang akong basihan anak, guys, is akong bana ug akong anak nga nagkinahanglan pa na ako. Anyway, thank you so much. I just share what happened to me today. And if you see that Ate Merlin, Baby, and Stanley is with me most of the time, kasi sobrang init, guys. At para bang may high blood ako kanina. As in, nagnanamb yung dito ko. So, I asked with them to go with me. Pero si Stanley, I just wait na mag-out na siya sa duty niya ba. Kasi bawal talaga yan. Anyway, for not uploading for couple days, guys, dumugo yung left nose ko. Tama ba, Habi? Yung left side dito, guys, ba? Every time na mag-sneezing ako, lumabas na yung dugo. I just one time only, a spray. Kasi sobrang mahal, guys. 1,000 something. And then, you just use it for 5 days. From morning and in the night. Sobrang mahal niya. Naluluka ako. So, better that cost the 1,000 is for the dressing of my husband na lang. Ano ko na lang sa salig niya. Kasi, we're still going for the how you call that, Habi? Yung dressing niya, guys, ba?
Yep.
Nagdi-dressing pa talaga ako. And then, what I forgot is your blood sugar test. The thing ba, the small one. And then, yes, last other day, guys, and yesterday, hindi ko alam, ano ba yan, pasensya na po yun, guys, ha? Grabe, allergy talaga ako today. Gibayuok, guys, ba? Saan na siya? Hindi rin, niburot siya. Then, after that, di rin na siya sa pikas. So, pagkabayuok, tigi ko mugawas, guys. Kaya gano'n, muragi ko ka ng, sa isda pa, murag ka ng, gitugan ko ka ng himbis diri nga. Nikalit burot. So, I didn't go outside. At least I have a cetirizine today. Na, mag-start na dahil siya, guys. Habi, thank you. Thank you. I really, yung puso ko ngayon, my heart is smiling kasi akala ko Danny will get mad with me, but it's not. I keep explaining in front of Stanley, right, Daddy? The good thing, yan yung the good thing is appreciate talaga ni Habi o anong nagawa ko sa pera niya. So, do you have anything to say?
Yes. I know about the money, and I know what you use it for, especially helping your family and others. Not, you don't use it just to help us, you help other people also. That's a good thing. Especially helping your family. Families are very important. So don't worry about what you do with it as long as you use it in the correct way like you have been doing. That is really, really good. So thank you.
So, ayun, guys. You see. The good thing is he really understand me, and you can see naman where's the money go. If I'll go every day, I'm not there's no floor gonna taking care of Danny anymore. I all the time go outside. Right?
Not every day you go outside. Sometimes 2 times a week, sometimes 3 times a week. But you don't go all the time.
But most of the time I go is when I buy something, right?
When you go to buy something, you need to go outside sometime and relieve your tensions. Always remember I'm here for you, and I always love you. All the time.
Thank you, Happy.
You're welcome.